This might be one of the best trading indicators I have ever tested on the channel, a free TradingView tool that tells you exactly when to open a position and when to exit, spotting powerful trends while filtering out most fake signals. And the results? 500% profit. Stay tuned to discover how it really works. I'm ATP and let's get started. Firstly, I want to give a shout out to one of our subscribers who suggested this indicator. Thank you so much. And if you have any indicator or trading strategy you'd like me to test in a future episode, just drop it in the comments below or inside our free Discord community. The link is in the description. So, this new tool is called the Zero Lag Trend Signals, created by Algo Alpha on TradingView, one of the top PineScript developers focused on trend following systems. On TradingView, just open the Indicators tab, type Zero Lag Trend Signals and select this one. It's completely free to use. Once applied, you will instantly see these green and red bands plotted on your chart, along with up and down signals whenever a new trend starts. In the settings, we only have two key inputs, the length and the band multiplier. For this test, we'll keep both at their default values. You can also enable a multi-time frame table, but since we are testing the base version today, we'll turn that off. And the same goes for the optional signals to keep the chart clean. So now, how does it work? The indicator tracks short-term trend shifts using zero-lag calculations, reducing delay and generating earlier signals than most standard moving average systems. When the band turns green with an up arrow, that's a long entry, and when it flips red with a down arrow, that's a short signal. Simple and surprisingly accurate. Now let's assemble the full system using the same framework we use in every test. We'll start by adding a 200 period EMA as our baseline. That means we'll only take long signals when the price is above the EMA and short signals when it's below. And why? Because this single rule filters out tons of fake entries and keep us aligned with a major market trend. Then, for risk management, we'll use the ATR bands with a multiplier of 3. For long positions, you should insert the stop loss on the lower ATR band and the take profit on the upper one. For shorts, it's the opposite, stop loss on the upper ATR band and the take profit on the lower one. Then, when the price hits the first take profit, we'll close 50% of the position, move the stop loss to the entry point and exit from the remaining 50% only when the indicator prints an opposite signal. This hybrid structure lets us ride big moves while protecting our profits, one of the biggest advantages of this indicator. Then, for the testing, we'll use the ATP Premium Indicators Testing Bot, which now includes the zero-lag signals in its database. This tool already contains nearly 100 indicators, which can be used with entry, filter, exit, volume and baseline functions, and it's already used by over 250 traders worldwide to create, validate and even automate their own trading strategies. You can learn more and get access through my website, and don't forget, there is also a free user guide that you can download to see everything the bot can do. Now, for the testing framework, we are going to assess this strategy across 4 different time frames: 5 minutes for scalping, 30 minutes for day trading, 1 hour for swing setups, and daily for long-term traders. We'll apply it to 5 different markets: Bitcoin, GBP USD, gold, the S&P 500 and the Tesla stock. And for the testing window, we'll be using 3 full years of data, from September 2022 to September 2025. And before we jump into the test, I've got something special for you. I built a custom Pine script that combines the zero lag trend signals with the 200 EMA, and it automatically plots the valid buy and sell alerts on your chart. You can download it for free inside our Discord community in the free materials channel. The link is right below. Just copy the code, open the Pine editor on TradingView, paste it and click Add to Chart. Super easy and it's yours to keep. Now that everything's ready, let's run the test together. I will plug the rules into the bot, hit start and let's see what the real numbers tell us. While the bot is running the numbers, let me show you a game changer app, QuantTradingPro. They have created a TradingView extension called Quant Optimizer, and it takes strategy testing to the next level. Instead of manually tweaking settings one by one, this tool runs the optimizations for you. Fast, efficient and fully automated. All you have to do is choose the settings you want to optimize, hit start and it delivers a complete report with the best settings. You can try it for free with a one setting optimization, and if you want the full power, use the code ATP to get 25% off your first month of the Elite plan. If you are serious about finding what really works, this is one of the smartest upgrades you can add to your TradingView workflow. After running all the backtests, I merged the data from every time frame and here are the full results. On the 5-minute chart, the strategy achieved a 45% win rate and an 80% net profit. However, while profitable, the equity curve showed high volatility, meaning it's not ideal for scalping. Then, on the 30-minute time frame, the performance improved significantly. 52.5% win rate, 186% total profit, and a much smoother equity curve across all assets. Gold was the top performer here. Moving on to the 1-hour time frame, the results were even stronger. 53% win rate, 182% profit, low drawdown and excellent consistency. All assets were profitable, with Bitcoin leading the pack. And finally, on the daily time frame, despite fewer trades, the system maintained a 55% win rate and 28% profit, confirming that the indicator scales well for swing and position trading. Overall, the results are well above the average, both in profitability and stability. But of course, keep in mind that these results reflect the exact conditions used in the test. That doesn't mean you should copy them as they are. The key is to build complete trading systems around indicators that show strong standalone performance, just like the strategies I have shown you from my portfolio. You can watch any of them on my channel to learn how we do that step by step. And so, where does the zero lag signal ranks on our official ranking? I would say it deserves a top 3 spot, but I will let you decide. Let me know your opinions in the comments below. And that's it. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.